Hey y'all, take a look at this Laundry Turtle pop-up laundry hamper. Ingenious design. First thing, you get a free, well, it comes with the package, sock bag, so you don't lose those pesky socks in the dryer. The gnomes don't get them. Keeps them all together. This thing unfolds, folds up like one of those old windshield protectors. Made of nice nylon. Holds a heavy load, and then folds up with some handy handles. Carry your laundry around everywhere you go. Look at that. Nice, compact. This would be great for college kids in the dorm or military folks. You don't have an extra laundry basket laying around, you can fold it up. Here's the coolest trick though. Drop that in the dryer. Turn the drum. Easy unloading. Some of the stuff gets away from you, but it works mostly. So there you go. The old Laundry Turtle pop-up hamper. Pretty genius design. Thanks for watching.